パパリしてるこれドーナツ食べない確かにね確かにね確かにねいつcoolでしょHave you ever been to 谷中銀座It is. It's a donut. This taste is salty caramel. Then inside, can you see the salt caramel filling? It's so dry. It's super dry.うまっうまっうまっこれ一番美味しいこれ一番ナンバーワンこれマウススキンリップスキンこれはグロスNot coffee. He didn't need any. He didn't be needed to call the ambulance. Sucked. Semi-alcohol poisoning used to go hard as fuck. Really? Is that okay? Was okay? Yeah. This setting is so convenient that we just put people on the side and just... Wow. This is so kind. It's monitoring of the sickness and put him on his side and give him a blanket. Stayed up for like 3 minutes or so. Oh, sweet. You so kind. You are wild. Ha! すごいわ。Can you see the top of the なんだっけ東京スカイツリー半You don't drink? Ah, hey hey Mas mes Isn't that unsure about the thing to realize because you drunk but go you talking about in terms of quality is super expensive? I only had a Cuervo and the Sauza. It's not expensive show. These are bad quality tequila. Sauza and Cuervo. The silver bottle and golden bottle, I think. ありがとう。何がだよ。野間さんサプライズそうだね、変えようか。チェンジトピックしようか。So I've been through the station before. あ、いやいや、it's a 上野サビレ。No, I should drink enough of medicine. Yeah, puke. 確かにね。何を飲んでも一緒。It's everything gonna make puke. The end. You desperate want to go on the train? Really? That's what taking. Desperate. なんだっけクレバイズのタイヤセバ is my name. I don't know what the difference is. Too high. Also those spots where you can walk down. Have you ever up there game stuff? I did. Yeah, it's scary. You don't borrow on. Yeah, of course. But nice. The brand of Cuervo too. Cuervo es Sauza. Cezadora Reposado. Wow, it looks very expensive. Cazadora Reposado. Aged tequila. Wait, aged tequila is tasty? 買えばあれまあね、それがオーセンティックスタイルだね to drink tequila mixed by the light. Yeah, savage style いい Vodka on the rocks? Ooh, too much. It's too much. It's too much. Yeah, me too. But sometimes tequila and なんだっけ rum feels same smell. なんか sometimes tequila and rum smells same. And that's why I hate. Spanish should be very easy to say for Japanese person. They say, oh, very language. あ、そうかも。なんかカタカナリーディング。違う、ローマ字リーディング。僕かのテイスト。そう、eventually you don't need any alcohol. And don't bring it around. Is it brown? No hangover? そうなん？そうかも。スミノフ dry? Well, eventually I get drunk. Better than tequila だね。Why does it up? Maybe it's one more transparency. The river, turpentine, so high, but so cool, but so frightened at the same time. 確かに I should stop drinking too. It's supposed to be kind of like Majoska? Majoska.